I'm Bill from Hitch Racks. This video is about our one bike add-on number LB front. It's a one bike platform style rack that installs on our one track tilting rack. This is the carton it comes in, and when you remove the lid, it has a set of instructions and it comes fully assembled, ready to install right out of the box. And I have one here that we've removed from the box. That's what it looks like out of the box, and I'm going to show you how to install it in the rack. Okay, now I've installed a one track tilting rack on the vehicle, and I'll show you how to install LB front on the rack. The first thing you do is you loosen the plug in the top of the column, and it just pops right out. You take the plug out. Make sure these two corner bolts are backed off so there'll be enough room for the add-on to fit in the column. Remove the top bolt of the convenience latch, and then you simply telescope it down in until it bottoms out. Okay, once it bottoms out, you reinstall the top bolt of the convenience latch. And I'm going to use a set of wrenches and tighten it up. When you tighten it up, don't over tighten it, because if you tighten it too tight, you'll squeeze the tubing together and that'll cause a problem. So it's nice and snug, but not too tight. And then for the two corner bolts, the same thing. Okay. Now it's installed. Okay, now I want to show you how to fold down the wheel support tubes, how to adjust the wheel holder, and how to operate the hook. So to fold the wheel support tubes down, you pull out on the plunger pin knob and you let it fold down. It pops into place. So I'll do it for the other side. Pull out on the knob, it pops into place. To adjust the wheel holders for the wheelbase of the bicycle, you simply loosen the knob and the wheel holder just slides back and forth. And you want to set it up so it'll, be fairly centered on your back of your vehicle. So the hook is fastened with a quick release. And to move the hook up, you just open the quick release and you tighten it back down. And before you start using it, you want to check it and make sure that the tension is adjusted correctly on the quick release. You want it so when the quick release is fully open, it's free to slide up and down. But when the quick release is closed, you want it to be so you can't move that hook up or down. To adjust it, you simply take a 1/2 inch wrench and you tighten the nut. You just tighten this nut to tighten it up, or loosen the nut to loosen it so it'll slide up and down. Okay, today the bicycle we're going to be loading is an Easy Racer's Tour Easy. It's a long wheelbase recumbent. I've already pre-adjusted the wheel holders to the wheelbase of the bike, so I'll pick it up and load it. Just pick it up, walk it over, and you place it on the rack. And I'm going to lower the hook over the frame. Hook's lowered. Hook's fastened. And I'll fasten the wheel straps. When you fasten the wheel straps, don't overstretch them. Usually the second hole, or no more than the third hole. I'll try the third hole. The third hole will work there. And I'll fasten the strap on the front hook. I'm going to use the second hole on the front. Okay, as you can see, LB front add-on will adjust out long for a long wheelbase recumbent or a tandem bike. It'll also adjust in for a smaller bike. Like if you've got a bicycle, almost any bicycle that you don't want to hang it by the top tube, then you can use LB front. Another good feature is a lot of times you'll only want to carry a bicycle and not a trike. So if you run into that situation, there is a feature where you can fold the trike position up 45 degrees. There's an extra hole here. You just remove the snap lock pin, and then you raise it up 45 degrees and you reinstall the snap lock pin through that hole. And as you can see, there's plenty of room between the bicycle and the trike position, and you know, it's not sticking out as far in the back. It's really a good feature. Okay, the trike we're loading today with this long wheelbase recumbent is going to be a trike villager, and I've adjusted the rack to fit the track and wheelbase on the trike villager. Now we want to adjust the rack so that we have as much space as we can get between the bicycle and the front trike wheel. So it's important to notice that these two wheel holders are not adjusted the same distance from the center. This one is in farther, this one here is out farther. So the track is actually going to be loaded at a skewed angle. And you want the trike wheels to fit in all these wheel holders. So what you need to do is loosen the bolt on this hook bolt and move it forward, because what that'll do is actually shorten the wheel holder so the tire will fit here and the tire will fit over here. So now I'll just pick the trike up and load it up there. Okay, now everything is loaded. All the wheel straps is fastened. The safety cinch strap on the trike rack is fastened. And I'll show you how to tilt it down. You remove the snap lock pin, you lift up on the outside wheel holder, and you pull back on the convenience latch lever. And you slowly lower it all the way down until it reaches a stop. And I'll walk around and show you how the hatch will open up and give you plenty of space to get into the back of your vehicle. See, you got access from either side. And to tilt back up, you simply get a hold of the outside wheel holder and you lift it up. Convenience latch latched into place, and you reinstall the snap lock pin. It's very important that you always install that snap lock pin when you're transporting a load. It's just an extra safety feature. Thank you very much for watching our video.